the need to try to get up to 55 miles an hour, or do you think we've set that record and we're good?
We could try to beat it.
Happy Tuesday, but actually it's Monday when I'm filming this. Well, today is the start of another adventure. It is Monday, it's actually Labor Day, and everything's going a little, I don't want to say slow, but a little off schedule. The kind of reason for it, yesterday we had absolutely record heat. We had, phones are saying 95, 96. We had 110, 113, 14, something like that in front of the shop. And that's kind of normal. You can tell it's a south-facing building, and it gets hot there. It's always hotter there. And then one of the facilities, one of the plants we do a lot of work for, was having problems all weekend, so I was busy trucking nonstop all weekend. And so it has just been a hectic, crazy couple-day period. But we've gotten a few little things done, but nothing has gone, nothing. When I set the main game plan up Friday afternoon, nothing has gone as scheduled. Let's put it that way. That's kind of just the safest way to say that. But we still got a few things kind of done, but just nothing over the top crazy. None of the main things we wanted to accomplish this weekend got accomplished. But we are getting one thing done. And what we're getting done there, if you see the two trucks hooked up behind me, we got to pull one to a repair shop. We got a motor. The truck that's right there, the motor let go on it last fall, and it was actually kind of a crazy adventure. The motor let go about an hour 10, hour 15 away from the shop or from the home farm here. And so me and Adam actually pulled it. And it was pretty nuts because we actually got the truck up to, I believe, 55 miles an hour. As a truck driver, you always wonder, one more gear? Well, here, I'm not taking both hands off the steering wheel, so you're going to have to just reach over and see. We're seeing if we can't get to 55. This isn't smart, but it's just that thing we got to find out. Can we pull a truck at 55 miles an hour? Okay, hang on. We're crawling a hill. Okay, hang on. We're going for it. We're going for it. Almost there. Okay. There we go. 55. Adam's probably freaking out right now. And then I'm going to slow down here in a minute because this is really scary. All right, we did it. Now I'm slowing down. Which was really scary. But being a guy, we just knew we had to set a goal, work hard to accomplishment, and then once we achieve it, slow down because it got really scary. Slow down right away. And but forever I can say I did 55 miles an hour pulling a truck like that. But today it's going to a repair shop. Today the truck is going to a repair shop. We're going to pull that in. They're going to start working on it on Wednesday, which is awesome. A couple weeks ago we ordered the new motor, and so as we get closer to fall, we need to get that truck back up and running. And so we're going to pull it to a repair shop today and hopefully get it back in the next week or so. And yeah, today we have the adventure of pulling trucks in tandem again. See how this all goes. Alrighty, well, we're ready to take off. Does any of this feel familiar?
Yeah. Same pulling truck, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same. It's just hard to believe 10 months went by.
Yeah.
Do you feel the need to try to get up to 55 miles an hour, or do you think we've set that record and we're good?
We could try to beat it.
I don't know if I want to. It is a little scary. I mean, usually I'm all down for pushing things. Let's see what level leads us to the most, the highest level of productivity. I just don't know trying to get to 60 if that's smart. See how it goes?
Yeah.
All right. So just like 10 months ago in the original video, we had a toolbox open up. I've never had this one open up before.
Yeah.
I think it just must not have gotten closed all the way. Not a big deal. We're still making good progress. That's all that matters. So this right here is what I kind of expected. The hinge just kind of bounces down. So we'll just put that back up, tuck it back in there. Should be good, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully. All right, so now we're gonna try something we haven't done, and that is backing this combo up, which should go good, but we're gonna see how this goes, because I'm gonna try and get it in that spot there. So, how do you think backing up's gonna come? I think if I pull up a little more, I think I'll be able to do it, but we'll try. All right. Never backed up anything with two steering wheels before like this. That went better than expected. We didn't set any race pace on the way here, and we got backed into the slot. But overall, we're here safe.
Yeah.
So I'll count that as a win.
I think so.
Kind of funny, like, okay, we should be able to back it in, but we'll see how this goes. Doesn't it make you feel better knowing other people have their repair row too? It's not just us. Goodbye, 5.4. Hopefully we replace you with another 5.4 that runs forever.